What's up, everyone? We've got a new review with a difference. It's not the usual gadgets, phones or otherwise. It's actually a bag, a traveling bag by HEIMPLANET. They were brilliant to send me there we go. Let's go. They were amazing to send me 2 bags to review. So this video will be on more the packing of these bags and how much can we stuff in them, basically. What I noticed, this is the both are Motion series, actually. First of all, both are Motion series HEIMPLANET backpacks, and this is the Art series 20 liters backpack, and this is the Motion Ellipse series 25 liter backpack. So I've got already a few here. Let me show you. All these, you could say, are worth 6 days of traveling. All this. I've got the laptop, the chargers for it, my business cards, my man grooming kit. That includes these as well. My t-shirts, my headphones, wireless headphones, and definitely my best buddy Totoro from Studio Ghibli. He always goes with me everywhere. Yeah, usually I stuff one more pair of pants, but if it's only 3 to 4 days, I don't take them. I usually call it smart traveling. So we're gonna stuff them in these bags and see how it goes. One thing I do is I roll them up. Gives it better focus. There we go. All right, so we have one. We'll try to pack them all. See if we can squeeze as many as we can into this. See if it fits. We're almost. Just the main clothes is already halfway full. So, and then the socks. Oh shit, you know what I forgot? My underpants. My underpants. Give me 1 sec. Some underpants. Next. I'm going to a hostel. Perfect. This is brilliant for hostels because most of them have lockable storages under the beds. Very essential, and it's numbered locked, so no need to worry about the keys after. But make sure you remember the numbers. I forgot them once. I'm actually gonna do a review on them some other time. Awesome, love it. Use it for running and everything. And my backup battery charger. On the go, very helpful. So, no. So, there you have it. This is the Motion series Ellipse, the 25 liter. I actually managed to pack 6 days into this. I could almost put maybe another day in it of clothes, maybe another t-shirt, which is kind of cool. I have an extra pants in there, which is even better. Love it. Now let's put it on our bags. Just in the top of it. I think I could grab these. So, and then I'll just take this off for a minute. There you go. Look at this. Super cool. I usually don't bother with that, but if you do, you can do that. And the last but not least, and if you are, I guess these are brilliant if you're traveling or climbing, doing mountain walks or anything like that. They're probably very handy. Handy means useful in Ireland. How do you do this? And it's almost like in the plane, you pull these. Please put your seatbelts on. Thank you. Okay, done. There we go. Very comfy. I was actually very. I know the design in the back is nice. I don't know if you can see it. There you go, see it. I know the design is nice, but I felt like maybe it's a bit too flat, because it's nice to have a bit of a support at the bottom here usually. But I could say safely, maybe because of the weight is distributed from top and keeping it at the bottom here is not as heavy. So I don't feel it, especially like if you notice the bottom part is smaller than the top part. So you don't, the weight is mostly on the top side than the bottom side. So I like it, I love it. That's it, I've got my laptop in there. Sometimes I'm gonna put usually I put a camera. Let's try camera. I'll be back. I've got my camera, this is my older camera. So it's a standard DSLR, so it's quite a sizable machine. It's the standard size you usually get in cameras. If you do, like someone like myself who travels a lot and loves to film stuff and video stuff for YouTube. One more thing, I have a small hack I usually use. I get one of my winter hats, beanies if you call them, throw it in there. You got a custom size protector that with a nice little fluff on the top. So yeah, it's very useful and it keeps it well protected. I did that many times before. So we'll see if this works. Okay, let's see how this works. What can you put in there? Feels like you could actually put shoes, maybe. It's a hydrating, like elastic, latex kind of feel to it. So I'm guessing shoes. In my case, my tripod, or gorilla. In this case, it could be my tripod or the gorilla stick I have, or these. Let's put these first. Let's put it in here. It works. Okay, let's put them on. All right, yeah, definitely it does fit. Don't know if it looks awkward to you. I can't see it. So it's kind of hitting the back of my bottom here. There's some weight still here. All right, so initial thoughts. It's a great, I mean, the quality is very good, I must give it that. The straps are really sturdy. They've got the same design, as you can see there. They got the same design as the back. Feels very comfortable when you wear it. Tiny bit, because it's quite flat here. It's a small bit of pressure at the bottom. I thought at first it wasn't, but when I added an extra weight, kind of felt it on the bed of my back. I'll be traveling with it to Denmark. Hello everyone in Denmark. When I come back from my trip, we'll do a second video on how post-usage, trip usage that is, how it went and everything. But at the moment I'm so happy that it filled up 6 days worth of trip. 6 days worth of trip in one bag. So yeah, perfect. Yay. See you later.